Okay, this is Ethan with the Anime Unboxing Club. Back again. I got Loote Anime in again. So, cue the intro. Okay, now that the intro is over, let's get started on this, shall we? So, first thing is the shirt, which says that it's from Junji Ito Collection. Interesting. Oh, that's very interesting. I've never seen that anime, but apparently it's one from Crunchyroll. All of the ones from Loote Anime tend to be on Crunchyroll. They tend to do the animes from their apps or their app. Apparently, Loot Crate, I think is what it was. Yeah, Loot Crate makes the Loote Anime. Apparently, they're in in whatever you want to call it, in bed with Crunchyroll. So, or they created Crunchyroll themselves, something like that. Anyways, so you can probably check it out on Crunchyroll. The next thing is, it's a hat. So it's white, has a red bill, has this little guy on it that says "Fight On," and on the inside, the bill shows these guys. I'm not sure what that's from. Thankfully, Loote Anime includes a little card that'll tell you what everything is from. But yeah. So the next thing is a pen. It says Space Vampire Huntress Yume, which I remember Yume is like their little mascot for Loote Anime and the anime side of Loot Crate. It looks cute. Looks really cute. The only thing that I'd probably change is making her have like a smile to where you can see the fangs. That always looks pretty cool. And with women or with female vampires, it looks pretty cute. So next thing is from Jujutsu Kaisen. It says it's a bottle opener. Let's open up. Whoa. Oh, and I dropped it. Anyways, so it's from Jujutsu Kaisen. That's kind of big. Got some pretty good weight to it too. But it looks like it's a finger. Or claw or something like that. But it's got some skulls on it. Or ghost faces, whatever. That's kind of cool. I've never seen Jujutsu Kaisen. I think it has something to do with demons, if I'm right. I don't know. I haven't seen it. Next thing. That's not anime. It says Kingdom Hearts Keyblade Collection 2. But is that really anime? I mean, video games, but I mean, I guess it's still anime, kind of. Anyways, it shows the 6 different ones you can get on the back. It's like a blind box kind of thing. Shows the the Kingdom Key Dark Side, Way to the Dawn, Star Seeker, Wishing Lamp, Sweet Memory, and Pumpkinhead. Oh, Cindy's gonna want it if it's the Pumpkinhead. See, because the Pumpkinhead is the one that has to do with Nightmare Before Christmas, which Cindy loves. Me, not so much, but hey, that's how it goes. And I don't have any of my handy knives around. Why don't I? Okay, so it's not the one from Nightmare Before Christmas. It's the Way to the Dawn. Way to the Dawn Keyblade. And then it has another little charm type thing. I'm not sure what that part of Kingdom Hearts is, or what those levels in Kingdom Hearts have to do with. I know Kingdom Hearts has to do it a lot with Disney characters, and like Nightmare Before Christmas, and like the Sweet Memory one would obviously be like Winnie the Pooh, and the Wishing Lamp would be like Aladdin. But like Way to the Dawn, I'm not sure what that's from. And in fact, and the little cardboard thing that came with it doesn't have anything on it, so I'm not sure which one that's from. If you know, put it in the comments. I have all the Kingdom Hearts games since they not too long ago came out with all of them for Xbox. Yes, I know Xbox sucks. Blah blah blah. Opinions vary. Some people really like PlayStation. I play Xbox all the time, or as much as I can, which isn't very often with doing this and having a job and dealing with kids. But anyways, then there's people that say no, consoles suck. I'm not going to get into all that battle. Fact is they came out with the Kingdom Hearts games for the Xbox not too long ago. I think it's been a few months. The only game that I've really been playing is Halo. So I really like Halo. Which recently Halo Infinite came out. That game is so freaking awesome. I don't know how I'm going to find time for any other game. But then again, I only play on the weekends, and that's with my wife because she likes playing Halo. Anyways, so the card says, well, before we get to the card, close the box, get rid of the box. Okay, the box is gone. So the card says that the theme was suspense. What happens when you swallow a cursed finger or stumble upon a village with a deadly secret? Celebrate suspense with this month's exclusive Loote Anime collectibles and gear. So, suspense. So the first thing is Sukuna's cursed finger bottle opener from Jujutsu Kaisen, which would be this weird looking thing. And there it goes. Anyways, it would be this weird looking thing. So it's a cursed finger. The next thing would be the exclusive Space Vampire Huntress Yume pin, which is this cute little thing. And then the next thing was the Keyblade Collection 2 from Kingdom Hearts, which would be this, which was kind of cool. The next thing it says was a mystery item. It's a surprise, which I'm guessing would be the hat. Which I'm also going to have washed before I wear it, because it's going to have some kind of a cleaner and preservative, pesticide kind of stuff on it. You really should wash all clothing before you wear it. So whether it's from a store or from like a box like this. Anyway, so the next thing was Blood Bubble Bushes t-shirt from Junji Its collection, or Ito collection, which would be the shirt. Looks very interesting and kind of disturbing, but still. So that was the Loote Anime box. If you like the box, go ahead and hit a like. If you want to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to make sure that you catch all my videos, hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified every single time I make a video, which I do try to do as often as possible. It all depends on how often I get the boxes in. I currently have the Anime Box Club, which I'll be doing very soon. And I have the next Supernatural box. I'm guessing that since we switched from Amazon to Culturefly, Amazon takes a couple of months to get their boxes out because they have to get their boxes from Culturefly and then they can ship them out to whoever ordered them. But since I'm ordering directly from Culturefly, we already got the next box this month, so me and Cindy will be doing a video on that soon. They also contacted me saying that they sent me another box, which would probably be the office box that we ordered. I don't know when they're going to finally ship out the or I would have to look up when they're going to finally ship out the Miraculous box for the girls. Make sure to check the description for all my social media accounts. I'll have them all linked down in the description. I'll also have Patreon on there if you want to support the channel. I will be adding the Patreon patrons on or at the end of my video during the credits, or during a credit when I have some Patreons. I'll be putting a link in the description for you to check out the first box that I did for Loote Anime, where I explain the different price points and all that stuff. Thank you. Thank you for checking out my video. Thank you for watching, especially if you made it to the end. And thank you for all of your likes and watching my videos and subscribing if you are subscribed. If you still leave a dislike, well, hey, at least you took time out of your day to watch my video. Could have been watching somebody else's video, unfortunately. Well, unfortunately for now. Thankfully for me. Anyways, you guys have all been great. Stay safe, stay awesome, stay warm. It is still cold out there. Laters.